way, son. And you just mentioned that there is a different way of viewing the world. One is static view, and the other is dynamic view. So I wonder, like in a static point of view, all representative countries, there should be no trade surplus for any country. But if we take the dynamics into consideration, will that, and also the homogeneity out, so will that give kind of a different conclusion concerning trade surplus?
Very much so. And I've actually written a paper I gave at the annual bank conference in development economics in Stockholm in June on exactly that point. The point is, what I argued is that assume that there is more learning associated with the export sector, the industrial sector, then there's one more condition that you need. If you can't use other instruments of policy, like industrial policies to promote that sector, and the only instrument you have is the exchange rate, then you will want to set the exchange rate to promote the industrial sector, the export sector, and you want to do it enough that you can have a trade surplus. And the interesting thing is you can show that it will be beneficial for you to do that even if you never cash in that trade surplus, even if you hold those reserves forever. So another way of putting it is, China may have been better off even if the United States then says, I'm sorry, those bonds that you own are worthless. The fact is that China has succeeded already in transforming its society and its development, increasing its per capita income. And if that $2 trillion in reserves happened to all of a sudden disappear, they still would have been better off for that policy.